Raw Pet. The goal today is to show you how to make 7 days worth of food for 7 cats. My apologies if you hear a rude sound in the background, it's my ringtone. Okay, we are going to be focusing on Cornish game hens as my bone base. This is a lot of food. I'm not going to use it all. I have chicken thigh, chicken gizzard, turkey thigh, turkey gizzard, pork, beef heart, the liquids from the packages, sardines, liver, and egg yolks. An average cat will eat about 5 ounces a day. My goal is to prepare 7 days worth of food for 7 cats. It will not be totally balanced, but it will come close. And my apologies. This is how you balance the Cornish game hen. This is on our website. I will post a link to it. I am going to be preparing 35 ounces of food a day per day. And eventually I'll show you how to make the day's worth. Turn this on. Saturday's meal will feature Cornish game hen. This on. This is all chopped up. I'm going to go in there. Y'all are going to be wondering how it's going to be divided up. We'll divide it up evenly between all 7 cats throughout the day. They get fed on demand. None of them are fat except for one. We're at 15.45 ounces, so about 15 ounces. Please don't. We're going to add a little bit of beef heart. We don't want to feed a meal exclusively of beef heart because it is rich. This is, if you follow me, this is Daisy's favorite. I'm going to put, John, please don't do that. This is my baby, John. And some of his favorite gizzards. And a little bit of chicken thigh. Chicken thigh and turkey thigh and other dark meats are excellent sources of taurine. A lot of people in other groups are always saying that you have to have a taurine supplement. You don't. As long as you balance your meals and create a variety of foods and feed the liver and just make it balanced and variety, spice of life, you'll be fine. Okay, I need to add a little bit more. I'm at 30 ounces. I'm not going to make this perfect, but it will come close. And I think we just had a bird fly into the window. So we are at 35 ounces. So this is all set. Are you waiting for food? Okay. This is going to go here, so this is going to be fed this Saturday. Before I go off on a tangent, I'm going to show you what a cat would eat in a single day. I'm going to clear this out. We're going to grab a Cornish game hen drumstick. That's an ounce and a quarter. This is what one cat would eat for one meal. Add in heart, let's say some of this. We're going to aim for 5 ounces, roughly. Oh, on the dot. This is how much a cat would eat in a single day, divide it into 3 or 4 different meals. Okay, I'm going to put this back because I want to go on. Already talked about the taurine. Sorry, a little. Okay, we have eggs right here. My cats love to hack up hairballs. Hairballs are not normal. It is a sign of the digestive system not working properly. And here I have 7 egg yolks. That's 1 per each of my cats. All I do is make everybody crazy. Crack the egg open and use the old-fashioned method of just separating them. And this is going to be Sunday's meal. I'm going to clear this off. A good digital scale is a must. We're going to put this in here. All that nice, yummy goodness. I want to crack the egg, break the egg yolks. Hey, you two behave. We're going to do some of the sardines. Oh man, I smell. Sardines are awesome. They are full of omega-3s, EPAs, DHAs. They are great to get pets to eat organs. Or in my case, get my slower cats to eat so my phantom doesn't steal everybody's organs. They're great for heart health, brain health, other organs, joint support, and mood support. Fresh and raw are best, but water packed are great if you can't buy fresh or raw. This is water packed. Half can to 1 can per cat per week. I do 1 can per week per cat. So there are 7 cans in here. I'm only going to put a little bit, so I'll spread them all out throughout the week. Oh! Making a mess here. Okay, what are they going to eat Sunday? Put a little bit more. Let's do a little bit of their organs. I don't have a beef kidney right now. I normally do. This is a mixture of parade and chopped liver. I have to take these 2 tubs of liver and do it throughout the week. So I'm going to do about half. Let's do some chicken thigh. It's going to be completely random what I feed them. I normally just grab something from the freezer the night before without any thought. I know that I have to feed a Cornish game hen every 3 days, and whatever I grab from the freezer between those days is completely random. One day it might be a heart and some turkey gizzards, or it might be some pork ribs I have to cut from the bone, or it might be a beef roast. It's completely random, and as long as I get the variety within a week, I really don't care what they get. Neither do they. Okay, we're at 22.55 ounces, which is an awesome number, due to, you know, if you follow neurology or numerology. 29, we're going to go with more chicken thigh. You can mix species within a meal. You can feed pork and beef and chicken all in the same meal. Some people say you can't. There is no problem doing it. You know, one day my cat might be eating a bug and they caught, this is, by the way, a little bit over 35 ounces. One day my cats might eat a bug and have a chicken heart or beef heart for breakfast. And I'm going to mix this up really well so everything is, you know, in there. My cats don't pick out anything. Not pretty, but it works. Just Squeeze out the air. That goes in here. One more day of boneless. We're on Monday. Get rid of that. I think we're going to do some pork. And that's it. Clear that out. We're aiming for 35 ounces of pork. Hi, John. Pork is an excellent source of red meat. Cats love it. It's easy for them to digest. And it's relatively cheap for most people. We're at 35 even. Hi, Elsa. Okay. Remember, every third day I feed Cornish game hen. So Tuesday is Cornish game hen. All right, clear that. Throw that in there. Elsa, please go. We're at 18.75. Let's finish off the pork. Why not? Let's get some liver in there. John, please don't. And liver sardines. I do have this left over. I'm not going to weigh it as part of the food. I'm going to put it in a couple of the packages. It's a great source of vitamins in there. Also, please. People tend to throw this out. It's wasted nutrients. Feed it. That's blood from the liver. It's this stuff. And it's great stuff. And plus, it helps add more moisture to your pet's diet. Okay, we're close to 35 ounces, so I'll put a little bit more in there. We have another serving. A little bit more. There we go. Mix it all up. Get the burdens in there and now, people say that their cats do not like fish. My 15-year-old cat hates fish. I kept offering it. She will not eat tuna, but she loves her sardines. Okay, now we're on Wednesday's food. I think we're going to do some turkey. Hi, Elsa. Yep, I am done with this, so we're going to put this over here. Turkey, maybe some turkey gizzards to make John happy. I do not cut turkey gizzards up. My cats have the ability to eat them. People ask me if I grind. I don't. My 15-year-old cat can handle pieces like this. I cut them off reasonable size, something that they would catch out with a wild. Anything bigger than something like this, it's going to be too tough for them. Okay, we're going to finish off the turkey gizzards. And maybe a couple pieces of heart to make Daisy happy. And we're at 35. You smelling the sardines? I'll let you have some in the morning. Okay, we're on Thursdays. Before somebody steals all the sardines, we're going to feed those on Thursday. And do some liver. There's about 4, maybe 5 ounces of liver in here. It looks like a lot. There's a lot of liquid, if you can see. Between 7 cats, half of this isn't that big of a deal. Now, if you were to feed 2 or 3 ounces of liver for a single cat in a day, there's going to be issues with major mud butt. You're going to have the nastiest poops imaginable. It's going to be liquid. It's going to be a mess. But 2 or 3 ounces between 7 cats, not an issue. We're going to do the eggs to prevent hairballs and let them go throughout the body. Let them pass. You know what? Let's do a little bit of the blood, the liquids. And I might do some of this in the morning. If you want to add more moisture to your pet's diet, you can make bone broth. I have a recipe on my website. It is not hard to do. I put about an ounce in, so we're going to call that 17 ounces. So we're going to go for 36 ounces. I'm going to do some chicken thigh. Finish that off. Yeah, let's finish off that. We're going to feed this liquid. It's not that much, but it's important. It's really good stuff. You happy down there? We're going to do a couple ounces of beef heart. So we're at 37 ounces, which isn't too bad. Darla will eat them. There's any left over throughout the meals, you know, it can be for the next meal. Okay. And this is the shelf for my freezer. One more. Clear. Okay. I'm gonna finish feeding the liver. It's important. Too much liver can cause vitamin A toxicity because vitamin A is a fat soluble nutrient. Vitamin. Taurine, on the other hand, is water soluble, so you can't overdose on taurine, but you can overdose on vitamin A. Taurine, being water soluble, will pass through the urine if the body doesn't use it. Okay, let's do, we don't want it too rich. All we have left is turkey. Let's do turkey then. We're going to aim for about 35 ounces. Like I said, oh, there's a little bit of chicken. I got my gizzards mixed up. Whatever I don't use for this will be fed to my cats tomorrow with our Cornish game hen. I think John will be happy with that. That's a little Daisy. You want a bite? No? Not gonna eat that? Here. Try your brother's favorite. Okay, we're at 30. Oh, a little bit more. 75 ounces. And we're done. You know, if you have any questions, I'm always here. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, my website. I'm on Facebook. If you all want to send me friend requests, you really don't care. I'm available almost 24/7. This will be added to the meal tomorrow. I might feed them some eggs. There's my Moochie. 15 years old. Raw fed the last 7 years. And her teeth are beautiful. Okay, that's it.